Madison and East 67th Street. It's 8:15 and we're walking on Madison Avenue. So we're just walking, chilling, full walk in the city. And it's raining, so we see how much of this we could get. So this is East 68th Street on Madison. Central Park should be this way, so let's take a walk down here. So yeah, it's a rainy evening. Might have to just do a drive around after. So that's Central Park. One day I'll take you through Central Park. A lot of stores here, I guess hotels. Rain. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way we can do a lot more videos like these. Walk through the city, show you around New York. So hopefully when you come to visit you would have an idea of what to do, where to go. It's not really that busy now. You know, the city is not open. So yeah, we're still on Madison and Madison Avenue. Central Park down the block there. That's a church, Catholic church. So yeah, it's raining, and I think I'm just gonna drive from here. But I'm gonna go back to the car and I'm gonna drive from here, because the rain looks like it's going to start coming down. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna drive and show you a little bit more. Church there. Still on Madison, and we're gonna go. You can see it's falling. So I'm just gonna try and get back to the car, and then we're gonna drive to I guess we're gonna go through Times Square. Drive through Times Square and show you that. There's a lot to see in Times Square when the city is open. A lot of interesting stuff. So hopefully that happens soon, and I could do that, you know, do a video and show you. You would enjoy it. You gotta come and see it in person though, you know. That's the thing about it. So yeah, I really hope you enjoy these videos. I enjoy doing them. Yeah, so I'm gonna get back to the car now, and I'll see you then. Avenue and East 82nd Street. Across the street from the Metropolitan Museum of Art. Metropolitan Museum of Art. I mean, it's night, they're closed now, but it's not open anyways because of the pandemic. Water fountain. So it's a very, very big museum, as you can see. So I'm just walking through to show you a little bit of it. And like I said, and I would say in every video, or maybe I do say in every video, that hopefully you come and enjoy this yourself. Come and visit, come and see it yourself. So all this is the museum, you know. There's our buildings over there. Whether it's hotels or apartment buildings, I'm not sure exactly. You could just sit and relax. I've been in there once before. I think once before, maybe twice. And As soon as, you know, when they open back up, I would show you around in there. Hopefully. I don't know if it, I don't know if they would allow you to take videos in there, but we'll try. So yeah, the Metropolitan Museum of Art. And now we're gonna keep driving around and show you any interesting things we see on the way. This is definitely one of them.